Sa kwentong araw sa palengke, bakit maagang gumising ang bata at si nanay? Saan sila pupunta? At ano-ano ang mga nakita niya?
They went to the wet market and they woke up early because they wanted to have a short line. And what she saw was lots of different meat, different vegetables, and different fruits. Weird stuff there, and that's what she did.
Sino si Maria sa kwentong si Mariang Alimango? Ikwento mo bakit siya tinawag na Mariang Alimango.
She's called Maria Alimango because she is a maid who works for her stepmother and stepsisters, and when she's not in the kitchen, she's in the lake, river, washing their clothes. And then while she was washing the clothes, she met a crab. They talked of a lot of things, and then the stepmother was walking and saw them and said, "The crab is better when it's eaten." And so she walked away and said to her, "You cook that crab, okay?" And then she walked away, and then Maria cried, and the Alimango said, "Once they're done eating me, get the shells and plant it near the stream." So she did as he said. After the stepsisters and stepmother ate the crab, they went to the ball. And she did as she sees the crab said. It's just like Cinderella, but a tree instead of a fairy godmother. And that's all.
Ano ang magandang sorpresang natanggap ng bata sa araw sa palengke at ano ang natutunan mo sa kwento?
So when she came home, when on the way to the wet market, she promised not to point at anything, and she kept the promise, and in the end she got the thing she wanted. And that's
What was it?
it was a pot for cooking on the fire. It's like a stove, and there's a hole to put the firewood to cook, and that's what she wanted.
Ano ang natutunan mo sa kwento?
The kwento
Ano ang natutunan mo sa kwento?
I learned.
Oo.
I learned that even if you kept the promise, you get something at the end. But even though you don't get something in the end, it's still good to keep your promise. That's all.
Okay. Basahin mo ang tulang Ang Aking Mga Kaibigan.
Natuto akong umawit dahil sa kaibigang Pipit. Natuto akong lumukso dahil sa kaibigan kay Kabayo. Natuto akong mangataguan kung dahil sa kaibigang Pagong. Natuto akong mga paaraw. Dahil sa kaibigang kalabaw, natuto akong tumakbo dahil sa kaibigang aso. Natuto akong bulabog dahil sa kaibigang bubuyog. Natuto akong mga hasa ng kuko dahil sa kaibigang uso. Natuto akong mga lambitin dahil sa kaibigang matsing. Natuto akong makipagkarera dahil sa kaibigang usa. Natuto akong mga kapitbahay dahil sa kaibigang anay. Natuto akong gumata ng damo dahil sa kaibigang kuneho. Natuto akong manggaharot dahil sa kaibigang surot. Natuto akong mga bing dahil sa kaibigang kambing. Natuto akong tumiti, lumiyaw dahil sa kaibigang wala iba kundi ikaw.